Hello, this is Jeff Zach of eZe Supply in Muskegon, Michigan. I'd like to thank you for taking the time today to watch this short video about our eZe Heat unit heaters, which we fabricate right here at eZe Supply. We're very excited about this product, and I'm anxious to show you its features and benefits. The first thing I'd like to talk about is how much air and therefore how much heat these things can really move. So we'll start off with the low speed on this 16 by 16 unit. This low speed on this 1/10 horsepower 115 volt unit puts out 1200 CFM. At the medium speed we're at 2050 CFM, and at the high speed 2950 CFM. You can see that we're really moving quite a bit of air in this room. It's about 12 by 14 in this room, and you can actually see that it's blowing the banner away from the wall here. You might want to consider when you're designing your system that you might want to oversize these units just a tad so that you can run them at a lower speed for a quieter work area. Alright, next thing, let's talk about the shutters. The shutters are adjustable. You can see that they can be set fully open for a very straight flow of air, or you can set them for a downflow. Maybe you want to get kind of a turbulation of the warm air going a little bit, and that's why we have shutters on it, so you can do that if you choose. This shutter direction can be set permanently. There's a little adjustment screw right here. Right now they're adjusted so that you can move them around, but once you get what you want, you can just tighten this down a little bit and you'll get a permanent adjustment. It will stay put. Turning the unit, we see next the 9-foot cord with the plug, so you can just plug it into a wall or into a plug thermostat. The little pull chain to set the speeds, about 18 inches long, and very reachable for most situations. If it's not reachable, it's pretty easy to design a rod to reach up and pull that with, no problem whatsoever. So you'll see that the cage is OSHA compliant. Turning a little bit further, looking at the ports are 1-inch ports that accept a push-fit fitting or a standard US size sweat fitting without any problem whatsoever. So push fits or sweat fit, either way you're going to have an easy time for the installation. Now, speaking of installation, our dealers tell us that these are fairly easy to install using the holes that are in both the front and the back flange, just right across from each other. One way you can do that is to use some kind of a chain like this, holding up like that. We've been told this works out pretty well. Another way you could do it that we've heard about is by putting a 2x4. This 3.5-inch area right here is the perfect size for 2x4, so you set a 2x4 in, put screws through these flanges front and back, secure the 2x4 up to the ceiling, and you've got a very steady, very sturdy installation. Now, just a quick note, we're not giving you instructions or suggesting you should do it that way. How you install this unit is totally up to you. Now, these units are available in sizes 12-inch, 16-inch, 20-inch, and 24-inch. All but the 24-inch are 3-speed. The 24 is a 2-speed. This unit, as I say, can go from 1250 to 2950 CFM. The 24-inch can have a CFM as high as 5850 CFM on the second speed. eZe Heat unit heaters are only available from eZe Supply dealers. We have eZe Supply dealers across the United States, and we'll be happy to put you in touch with the closest and most appropriate. Just give us a call or visit our website at www.ze-supply.com. So this is Jeff Zach. Thank you very much for your time. Have a blessed day.